If you could get more view out of your windows while increasing your curb appeal, would you do it? Blanca is here to introduce a new line of windows that can do just that from Best Value Glass. Great to have you on the show.
Thank you for having us.
Now, this is a wonderful new window offering from Milgard. Milgard's a wonderful brand. Tell us a little bit about this and what is the Trinsic window?
So Trinsic is a new vinyl product line that Milgard launched just on October 1st, so it's very new.
Brand new.
Yes, it's very new. It falls into the vinyl family along with Tuscany and Styline. This is more of a contemporary look.
So which means in terms of the contemporary, a lot of people I know with the contemporary homes, modern looks, they want the aluminum window look, and people are choosing to go with that, but they're inefficient windows oftentimes.
Correct.
This gives all the benefit of the look of that, but the efficiency of a vinyl replacement window.
That is correct. This does have all the energy efficiency requirements. It does do all that Tuscany and Styline do, but it does keep that contemporary look. It's got the contemporary smart touch locks, you know, the screens and everything.
Let's see what those locks are, because I know that's one of the big things about Milgard is their locking mechanisms are just wonderful. All the hardware with Milgard is
Correct.
great.
And the beauty about this one is that it blends in with the frame. You can't really see it once the window is closed.
And part of that, the frame, more viewable glass, and there's the sight lines of the glass are equal.
That is correct. They're even and more narrow side lights, so you get more glass.
More viewable glass. With the screen, I can barely do anything in terms of handiness, and this I can actually do myself.
Correct.
Pull it right out. Normally, I would have to take 2 tools in about 10 minutes to get a screen out of a window, so love that. You offer this at Best Value Glass. It's I know they just got the samples into the showroom, but people can come down and see it?
That is correct. We do have this one in our showroom, and as of November 1st, there will be one available in our showroom so you can compare with the other vinyl lines.
So this is a great option for anybody that has a contemporary home and wants to have that look and that feel. I know it can be painted to a variety of different looks as well. So visit the Best Value Glass showroom to see the Trinsic window today, and when you mention Approved Home Pros, you'll save 10% up to $500.